Hi, I'm Simon. I run a company based in San Francisco, California, specializing in bespoke furniture, interiors and cabinetry. What made me think of using Origin was the fact that I designed a brass bezel that went in the back of this product that took the cables from the TV down behind the piece of furniture and to be hidden where it was being plugged into the wall. And it was a big 6 foot long by 2 feet deep, huge bits of oak. And I had already had the CAD information, so it was easy to get it onto the machine. And then I made a test piece to get the fit really good. And I could see that the brass machine piece was, I guess, in the losing tension or whatever in the machining process, it was out by maybe ½ millimeter or so. So I could adjust the CAD file and tune it to get that fit, like absolutely like 0.1 mil all around. And then I knew by the time I got to the workpiece, to the piece of furniture, it was going to go fine. And I was trying to think, how would I have done this otherwise? And I know it just would have been painful to get the accuracy I needed, and I would have spent the time tweaking on a full-size CNC, and it would have done what I needed. But the other cool thing was the placement on this piece of furniture. I could draw a center line where I wanted it. I scanned it, I could see where it was, I lined it up, I knew it was where it should be. I started cutting, I did different depths, different passes, cut straight through I needed to. It was actually so easy.